example comes out of section 9.3, connecting graphs and rational equations. Looking to solve algebraically this equation, x over 2x plus 5 plus 2x equals 8x plus 15 over 4x plus 10. First step, always factor any denominator that you can, and you can state your non-permissible values right away. There's only one denominator here that has anything that you can factor, but it is worth doing it. You still get x can't equal negative 5 over 2 or negative 2.5. But it's worthwhile in that now you can say what your common denominator is for this whole expression. It's going to be 2 times 2x plus 5. So multiply that by both sides of this equation. And do each term individually, do it carefully. So for this first term, the denominators will cancel. I'll have 2x. For the second term, I'll have 2x times 2 times 2x plus 5. It had no denominator, so nothing's going to cancel out. On the right side, thankfully, all the denominator cancels out. The 2 cancels out, the 2x plus 5 cancels out. So I have this term here, or this equation here. Now something we can solve, hopefully using our just regular algebra skills. So 2x plus, this is going to be So we end up with a quadratic equation situation again, but this time it factors a little bit nicer if you can deal with the numbers. If not, just put it in the quadratic equation. But I'm looking for two numbers that multiply together to give me negative 120, and they have to add together to equal 14. And the numbers should be positive 20 and negative 6. If you multiply them, you get negative 120. So 8x squared plus 20x minus 6x minus 15 equals 0. Factor the first two, and then the second two. You'll have 4x and I'll factor it all said and done. We get this, which means two solutions, x equals negative 5 over 2, or x equals 3 over 4. If you stop there, you'd have a bit of a problem, because it turned out, when we look up above, one of our non-permissible values was negative 5 over 2. So this is an extraneous solution. It doesn't actually provide us with a solution to the original problem. The answer is x equals 3 over 4.